Right, I have not got a clue why I cannot record, but I'm just going to go round and I'm just going to show you quickly before the camera goes off again. I must be doing something. So the bees love this geranium and the orange sea breeze, which is absolutely stunning. More geranium, the foxglove, and these were bought from kind of tiny from a local lady who sells plants for charities. The hydrangea at the back, the forest flame is losing its red leaves, but it's still pretty anyway. The hydrangea, the astleby, the bluegrass, which is one of my favourites, the armeria, which I just love the small one and the large one. You just cut them back when the petals are gone and they just keep shooting up new ones. The Libertia, I think the flowers on that look almost kind of Japanese, look a bit like a butterfly. Yep, keep these in pots so that I can put them away in the winter. This is a sedum, it died away and then it's come back huge. The Michaelmas daisy, that'll be gorgeous when it sprouts full of daisies. More grass, more kind of lavender, I think that's a cordyline. I'm growing my butterfly bush, so I've filmed this about 5 times and it keeps cutting out, so that's why I've just decided not to bother faffing around. The previous owner left us with these cordylines, but we had to take them out and repot them because they were root bound. More lavender. This is a dahlia that we dug up because we thought it was dead, because all of our dahlias just kind of, nothing happened, they just died back. And there's some people mulch them, some people dig them up, but if it doesn't come back on its own, it's not for me. But we dug it up and Steve noticed there was green bits coming out of the tube, so we planted it and it looks like it's going to be a big one. The hibiscus, now this looks like sticks when it dies back, but we kept it there and it's come back, which is really good. And I don't know if I pointed out on the other side, as well as the bluegrass, I've got this ornamental blackgrass, which is really petite, but it does grow. The azalea, now I wanted to show you this while the leaves were all on it, but it's too late, there's only one left. I don't know if that'll come back or not, I hope so. More of my green, my bluegrass, another foxglove, which is pretty. My fuchsia, hope that'll flower this year. It did last year. So I've got an acer at the back, hope you can see that. A nice big acer. My lavender's grown massive this year. The agapanthus, which will grow a big blue shoot of a flower, which is pretty. The campanula, which is just doing its own thing. And the cordyline at the back. So yeah, really enjoyed seeing what's happening in the garden, and hopefully there will be more to come.